Popular Jamaican TikToker Alex shot and hospitalized in critical condition. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Detectives from the St. Catherine North Police Division are searching for a group of gunmen who indiscriminately fired on a motor vehicle, injuring 3 people along Browns Hall Main Road on Friday. The vehicle they were traveling eventually caught fire and was destroyed. One of the individuals that was shot is said to be a Jamaican TikToker who goes by the name Alex or Yamboss, who was shot in the head and back and is in critical condition. The Jamaican TikToker and former YouTuber Alex Yamboss is the latest social media influencer to be attacked. This falls on the heels of the shooting death of 2 other popular social media influencers, Xavier Fogo, who went by the name Naya Gang, and Marlon Samuels, who went by the name 41 Bosshead. The incident reportedly took place in the Browns Hall community in St. Catherine, not far from the Statius Golin High School. A male who says he's known Alex stated that he visited the family and was informed that the TikToker was in fact shot and is in hospital. The person also stated that he was shot in the head and is in critical condition. Persons on social media suggest that he was on live at the time of the attack, but this has not yet been confirmed. Alex initially created a buzz on the popular social media YouTube around 4 years ago with the channel name Abby and Alex, a young couple who is now separated. At the time, they created a buzz on the platform. However, sometime after the separation, Alex resurfaced on TikTok, where he now has 90,000 followers and is best known for his comedic skits and dancing skills.
Alright, see Pinky here. See Pinky here, guys. Alex, sister, come. Pinky!
Yo.
Yeah, you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, Pinky, tell them for me, say nothing. Tell them I'm tired of them.
Guys, Alex is not dead. Glory be to God. He isn't. But him there in a recovery. So, if you would really appreciate it if you could have just remove the RIP thing then, because it really not make it, to tell you the truth. It not make it. So if you could have remove the RIP thing them, I'm sure everybody would have more than appreciate that.
Please.
And they just know say it go, they may take a little while for it recover, but him a go recover.
Right.
Him a go recover. When you talk to your dog can shake in head, you want to use the bathroom, can make you know say you want to use the bathroom, it good. So far he is okay. You rarely find people get headshot and living. Alex lucky.
Right.
And him blessed.
Life without a knife, because mama
Dead
here.
and I so him for dead it now go happen. No time soon either.
Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.